People, it's cold outside. If you over here in the east, you know it's cold. But all right, clutch basket off. Clutch basket, and see how it comes off in like 2 parts. Oops. That's a thrust washer. Don't forget that if you're ever putting that back. Thrust washer goes between that and that inner basket. That's the Kickstarter I was talking about. Right there. You can see Wasco on there. Precision forged. Tough. Alright, so you gotta take this little, it's like another washer or something. Like a bushing or something that comes off. Then you gotta take off these, at least one of them gotta come off. Cause see, if you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. You see the case, it splits right there. That's where the case splits at. So this top half comes off, alright? And when you're shifting gears, this is what you're shifting. This is your shift, like on your 1 down, 4 or 5 up, or whatever up. That's shifting that tumbler in there that's hooked to your forks, and I'll show you that once I get the cases cracked open though. But this pulls these down, and this is how you get into your gears, through here. So you go, so say you're shifting 1 down, that pulls that down and puts it in gear. Now see, this pulls right out, and you'll see that's where your shifter hooks up to on the other side of the motor. And all it is like a little gravel hook deal. Alright, so then you gotta take this off here, so this shifter, the tumbler can come out. And this is a little what's the name thing that stands in there. And it actually, this thing got loose. I didn't even know this was loose. It comes right out like that. I didn't even know it got loose. It's supposed to be a lock tab on there, but apparently it got loose. Yeah, apparently that thing got loose. As you can see, the lock tab must have bent or something. I don't know, but whatever. So that's really it. I just gotta take that out, and that's really it for this side, because the rest comes out once you take the halves apart. And spun them off with my good old trusty snap-on impact gun. I've had this impact gun for years. I'm talking years, and this thing has definitely did me right. Broke off everything, timing, flywheel bolts, all kinds of stuff. Here's something I can show y'all. I got my, my, air compressors are loud, so I have a what's called a sunroom or porch. Back porch is enclosed, so I moved it out there, and I plumbed in all my air. And this kit is called Rapid Air, and all this is like PEX. Let's see behind this damn thing. See, that's just PEX. All right, and it comes in a kit. And I got air going into, I got another little workbench in there. Then I got a reel over here. You know what I mean? Boom. And it keeps it quiet. And so what I do is I just throw the switch on. And that I got an outlet going out there to the compressor. So you rarely even hear it in here, which is great. So that's just a little something. I ordered it. Let me see if I can find y'all. Alright, here it is. It's called Rapid Air. I got it off a Home Depot website. I don't think they have it in stores. They didn't have it in stores where I'm from. But it's called Rapid Air. And it's a whole kit. Come with the air lines, some little elbows, little thing to cut the packs. Not all these fittings though. It don't come with all these fittings. I had to get some fittings because you got to play with your fittings. How depending on what you looking to do. But it comes with elbows, a couple T's, and it's real simple to put together. I got a regulator over there on that wall, like if I'm doing some painting. That's the next filter. This one broke on me, but I got another one over there. But anyway, let's get back to this motor. Damn it. So I'm gonna use my torch. I know this thing got a red Loctite on it, so I'm gonna just use my torch. I probably could use the this thing, but nah, easier with the torch. Watch it, it's hot. Alright. Now I'm gonna show you how this works. If I got it in camera. Just basically threads in there, you screw that down. You just screw it in there. Alright, once you get the flywheel puller on, it's reverse thread. So lefty is tighty on this. Lefty. Alright, and this is still normal, the screw that in the middle. But you get this one on first, lefty. Once you get that one all the way in and tight, then you put this one in and it snugs up against the that spline there. Now you're gonna need one wrench here to hold it, right? And you can put a socket or something on here, crank it if you want. I'm just gonna use the impact. It's a lot easier. And you gotta go forward with this nut. See that? And it pulls it. See that? And it pulls it. What it's doing is pulling it off. See that? So it's just pulling the flywheel forward. Alright. And boom, that's it. Alright. Alright. Got the cases apart. Like I said, it comes apart like a clamshell. This one goes over top of there, blah blah blah. Here's the crank. So take that out for you. Oh. All right, that's the crank right there. Yeah, not too bad. And these are seals right here. Right here. Hold up. Ooh, that thing definitely still had that oil on there. Alright, this is one of the gear clusters. Right there. That's really about it. This is the gear that hooks up to your chain. So your chain go around here. And see these forks? These are your shift forks. And that's that tumbler I was talking about. Wait, let me see if I can, hold on. Alright. That's that tumbler right there I was talking about. That it takes those forks and slides them into each gear. So what it's doing is slapping these gears into different gears. So when you shift one down, one up, this is what you're shifting right there. These gears in the different gears. Alright, this depends on the configuration. See how these shift forks, they ride in those little grooves, and that's what changes the gears. And that's basically it, people. I gotta knock them shift forks out and that out, but I'll take that out a little later. But you can see, this thing still has some oil up in it. Look at that. Ooh, that shit's black. I was running this at 40 to 1. Yep, 40 to 1. It definitely needs to be cleaned. Here's your the magneto, and here's your timing. Oh shit! That's your timing numbers right there. right there, and you set your timing numbers on the case. Depends on the, what you want as far as your timing. Whatever. All right, these the hold on. This is the shift tumbler right here. And see, these them shift forks I was talking about. All right, they actually ride in here. All right, let me see, get this camera. They ride in here, and that's what's when you changing gears. And this is common to most bikes too. You know, you're changing gears. That's what happens. They slide in there. They ride in there, and depending on the configuration of the motor. But what happens is these little guides right here. They ride in there, and as you shift, it changes direction. See that? If you can see that. See that? It changes the shift direction. Slide in, out, whatever. This right here is basically your gears, which telling them which gear. Like right here, when it goes into this one right here, it's a little tumbler thing. It's a little wheel. Go here, that's neutral. See, it's a little half off. Let me see if I can get you. See, the other ones are smooth, but that one's like half. That's neutral. I don't know which way one is down and up or something. I don't know, but that's neutral right there. And if you put it all back together, you'll see when you put it in neutral, it goes into that little half mark right there. The little wheel I'm talking about, this thing here, this little wheel right here. That's which is connected to the shift fork, the shifter. And these are the other two shift forks. See? Alright, this thing, whew, look at that. This thing, it was time for a clean. It was definitely time to get this thing broken down. Look at that there player. Wow. 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 Yeah, man, I'm gonna dip these cases. I'm gonna clean these stuff all out, put new piston rings in. Probably put a new clutch in, and then I'm gonna hunt for a frame. Crank feels great, no up and down play. Crank is good, bearings is good. Try to change these seals. So change these seals, you know, you gotta take this nut off. See, nut off. See that? And these gears come off, pop new seals in. Same thing over there. Put new seals in. You can change the bearings. You know what I mean? So that's it, people. That's it. Alright. So there you have it. Yamaha. Oh, here's the that's the magneto. That's how you get your spark, electric, whatever you want to call it. Alright, people, that's the Yamaha Banshee in pieces, Banshee motor in pieces. Yeah. Missed my 2-stroke. Alright, I'm gonna rebuild it, come back with another series, but alright, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.